What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services coming to you with another video. Hey family, so today I'm coming to you with a little different, and I've switched over. I still do residential and commercial heating and air, but I've switched over to controls as well. So with controls, things are slightly different. I like controls a lot better. You have so many options when it comes to the field of HVAC, from your regular mechanical, which is repairing equipment, starting up equipment. Then you have your controls division, which it deals with the software side of the house and hooking up to units, being able to communicate, but through many different channels, through BACnet, I'm not an expert in every way to communicate, but there are so ways to communicate. But when you have a building that has a building automation system, and the HVAC system is on it as well, it's communicating, and that's what the control side of the house do. They hook all that stuff up and get everything communicating. So today I figured I will bring you along with me and show you a little bit about the control side of the house. Right now I am on a roof, of course, as you can see. Hold on, let me flip this around. As you can see, family, I am on the roof. All right, so, and here we are. I'm at a school on the roof, and look. So normally in the department of mechanical, I would be starting this unit up. So this unit is not ready for startup yet, not completely, because it has gas, and you can look and see the gas line here is not hooked up. And it look like they're running. See, even the condensate drain is not, well, it's hooked up. They have the drain hooked up. And I'm surprised they use copper. They use copper for the condensate drain. Wow, I'm really, I'm surprised. But you know what? This looks like it's like it's been here. No, this hasn't been here that long. No. So they're using copper for the drain. But anyway, the gas line, as you can see, is not hooked up. So the startup is not finished on this unit. But I would normally be coming to start this unit up, or I may be coming on this unit doing a repair. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm on the control side of the house. So what I am doing right now is something very simple. But it requires, with the Department of Controls, when you start doing controls work, if that's what you so desire to do, you're going to be using your computer a lot. And I like that, so you go from all these different tools that you carry to mostly you end up carrying one, backpack. I still have another backpack with my other tools in it. Sometimes I have to get, a little more in depth. But again, today what all I'm doing is I'm just hooking up. The company that I'm doing this for, they need to be able to communicate with their control system. And this is a Trane unit. So in order for them, another company, to be able to communicate with it, they're going to communicate through this red card right here that's called a BACnet card. But they can't do it unless someone with the software comes to hook up to it and tell it how to communicate. So that's what I'm here today to do, to tell it how to communicate. And it's very simple. I hook up to it with this great program that I really, really like through Trane. It's called Tracer TU, and it's called Tracer. So, and all I'm doing is I'm changing what you call the instance ID, the MAC address, and the baud rate. All those things that you need to be able to communicate. And you just simply plug your computer into it, to pull the program up. You type that information in that you need to change, and bam, it starts communicating. But my whole point, when you're out here, family, and you're looking at different areas to go into, if you're looking at HVAC, it doesn't end with just mechanical and pulling compressors in the commercial world, pulling compressors up on the roof or big fans and doing all these big repairs. It doesn't stop there. There are so many areas to go to, whether it's controls or whether it's controls projects. And what controls projects is new construction. When you're going in and you're setting up the network at a new construction, you're actually setting up all the VAV boxes in. But with them, you're always at a job site. that's require hard hat and everything else because they're working on the building, setting it up. So most projects are going to be like that. And the control side of the house, just regular controls, man, I really enjoy it because most of the time I'm hooking up to a system, diagnosing problems, or I am I'm doing a PM on it where I'm backing up the system, and it's a lot. As you get up there in age, you may say, hey, you know what, I don't want to do the so much physical. I want to do something a little less physical, but it's still really, really challenging, and you always run into something different. That's controls. All right, family, I'm gonna wrap it up, and I got this, not just this one to do. I got to set up this one. I got to set up that one over there. I got to set up one way across there in that other building. So I'm gonna get back to it. I just figured I would take a moment and just share the information with you. Talk to you soon. Thank you for taking out the time to check out the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a blessed day.